It's 5:30 in the morning. And can you hear it? It's raining. It's been raining since about 8 o'clock last night. It's going to rain for a couple more hours. So it's going to be time to get up, get dressed, take down the hammock, and get walking in the rain. It's going to quit probably about noon, so it won't be too bad, but that's going to be the day. It's warm, cozy here because it's not fun to get out. But got a job to do. And 18 miles to go, so can't lay here all day. It's breakfast time. This is going to be a pretty ugly video because it's still raining. But I'm going to sit here and have a little breakfast with next to Day 19. Not much to report today. It rained all night and it rained all day. Actually stopped around 1 o'clock, but it's still misty, sprinkling, cloudy. Everything's wet. My stuff's pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. But it's one of those days that just make you wonder, what the heck are you doing out here? It's 5 o'clock. I've already had dinner. About ready to hang my bear bag. And because I'm at the shelter, but they don't have one. And then actually crawl into bed and listen to podcasts, whatever. No cell service and no YouTube. And just get warm. It's a full shelter tonight, and that's what everyone's about ready to do. Tomorrow, 17-mile day to another shelter. It's supposed to break tomorrow. The weather's supposed to break tomorrow, where it's supposed to be sunny and warm. It would be nice.